This 2019 Keystone Alpine 3801FK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features a forest floor interior, sleeps 7, water heater, skylight, external shower, self-contained, spare tire kit, smoke detector, DVD player, TV antenna, oven, slide-out, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Alpine 3801FK is 13,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.